Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the fan's rated voltage and current so you match it exactly to the supply. Once done, identify positive and negative leads on both fan and source. You measure the source with a multimeter to verify voltage under load, and you prepare tools. Strip 5-7 mm of insulation, choose solder or crimp, and cut a short fused lead. You do this first to avoid frying the motor and to ensure safe, reliable connections. You solder or crimp the positive lead first because adding inline protection and a switch there is standard practice. Once that joint is solid, do the negative. You tin wires to improve wetting, heat them quickly to avoid motor insulation damage, and use the correct wire gauge for current to prevent voltage drop. After making joints, slide on heat shrink and shrink fully. Make sure the fuse is sized slightly above rated current and placed on the You now bench test the fan at the rated voltage and watch for steady rotation and normal sound. Once it runs properly, mount it with hardware that minimizes vibration and avoids obstructing airflow. Make sure wires are strain relieved and heat shrinked and route them away from moving parts. If it doesn't run, check polarity first, then measure voltage under load to ensure the supply holds, inspect continuity across your joints, and verify the fuse isn't blown. Those quick checks solve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.